Let's hope this thing holds my phone in this windy weather. Can't afford for that to be flying off. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm actually going to pick up something, and on the way I'm going to be talking about this little phone holder that I got. This is a bit of information. It's hella windy today, guys, so I hope that my phone doesn't go flying and land somewhere on the road and then I don't have a phone. But it's nice actually to have a phone in front of you with your maps open or whatever you shouldn't be looking at while riding a motorcycle. It's actually pretty nice. It hasn't gone flying yet, so that's good. Got the charger plugged in, my phone's charging. Seems to be doing a pretty good job. Yeah, it's hell of a windy, guys. Look at that. It's actually quite scary riding in this wind. You get blown off your bike. You get blown off your bike, man. Let's go forward. Yeah, buddy. Phone seems to be still holding on. It's got that little rubbery, stretchy thingy at the back to put it over the corners of the phone just for extra protection, which I didn't do for some reason. But let's just test it out. I mean, that's the whole point of this video, to test out my phone holder, which is 10 times cheaper than a RAM mount. So let's see if it does the job. I believe those are freaking amazing. I've read some reviews. Yeah, so it seems to be doing a pretty good job. My phone is charging, so I just wrapped the charger around the mount itself, just for extra precaution, I guess. Alrighty, seems to be doing a good job so far. I did say if you guys wanted to see a video of me installing the mount, you should leave it down in the comments. I ended up installing it anyway, and it was a bit more complicated than I expected. In the previous video where I spoke about the mount that I got, if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can go check it out. But I mentioned that I couldn't seem to mount it on the balls for the mirror because it's too big and bulky, I guess. So I managed to mount it here on the handlebar of the clutch lever balls, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job. I think it's kind of a bit covered with the visor of the bike, so that's quite nice because it kind of gives it a bit of protection from the wind and stuff, not getting pushed forward all the time. So yeah, I think that's quite a good place to mount it. It doesn't seem to get in the way of the tank. I obviously had to set it up in a way where it doesn't scratch on my tank or it doesn't hit the screen of the bike when I turn the handlebars or something. I cannot even explain to you guys how windy it is today. I'm sure you guys can hear it on the mic while I'm speaking, that I really have to speak much louder because it's hella windy. and it seems to be doing a good job. I mean, it's holding on. I did tell you guys that I wasn't sure if I should connect it directly to the battery or if I should tap into the ignition somewhere. I tried to connect it directly to the battery. Here where the charging port is, there's a little blue LED light that kind of had me going off because I didn't want that light on. I was telling myself that if there wasn't a light there, I would have taken my chances. I would have tried to just leave it and, you know, check if the battery died on me or... But when I saw that blue LED light, I just didn't want to do it anymore. If you guys watched one of my previous videos of installing an integrated taillight, I showed you guys how I did the connection, the cables and stuff. So I ended up tapping into that because that light only comes on with the ignition anyway, so it was right there. I mean, it's not far from the battery, so I ended up just tapping into that and connecting it up there, and it seems to work pretty fine. Like, I've got the phone charging, I've got maps open, and she's gone up by 10%, so it seems to be doing pretty well. If you guys do buy one of these mounts, preferably connect it to the ignition, don't connect it directly to your battery. If you do leave your bike standing for a while, it's gonna charge your battery up, and you don't want that. So yeah, connect it to the ignition. I tapped into my brake light, and if you guys can do the same, I'm sure it'll work well. That man almost fucking killed me, man. Idiot. And he knew he didn't want to pass me because he knew I was going to take that mirror. I would have confiscated that shit, man. I think I'm not far from where I need to be. I just needed my GPS to get me this far. And now we can go find out where the hell am I going. Planet Fitness, man. I wonder what it's like inside this gym. Alrighty, we are in. There's a couple nice spots here. I want to try and take some videos without getting into shit, so wish me luck, guys. But first I need to do what I came here to do before I get kicked the fuck out of this place. I don't know if this is the one. I don't think so. I came down the wrong way, my guys. So yeah, as you can see, it stopped charging now that I switched my bike off. So let's get that out of there. Alright guys, we got the goods. I'm actually looking for a nice place to take some videos, some pictures, but I don't know, it just seems so bland. Maybe it's just me. Fuck it. Ooh, in front of that building looks good, but I think I'm gonna get kicked the fuck out from here if I do. So let's just get the hell out of here. Okay! Hey, it's a fellow Bair! Let's go with it. Yeah. I am on my way home now. I actually stopped to take some videos of the bike, but my bike is actually way too dirty to take a video. My next video is actually going to be on how I wash my bike, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you guys are notified when I release the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.